Do you know these facts about planets? Fun fact. Fun learning about planet and solar system. Learn with us, kids. Did you know this about sun? It takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds for the light leaving the sun to reach Earth. Note, never look directly at the sun. The light from our next closest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, takes more than 4 years to reach Earth. Did you know this about sun? The sun actually creates weather in space, a stream of charged particles called solar wind. Sometimes these particles erupt from sunspots, cooler regions of the sun's surface as solar flares that can knock out power on Earth. Did you know this about sun? Our sun rules the solar system on its own, but many stars share their systems with a second or third star. Imagine having 2 or 3 birthdays. Did you know this about Mars? The surface and orbit of Mars bustles with robotic vehicles and probes that are mining the planet for all sorts of info, including signs of life. None have been found so far. Did you know this about Mars? Mars is home to one of the largest canyons in the solar system, big enough to swallow the Grand Canyon, and the tallest volcano, Olympus Mons, which is nearly 3 times as tall as Mount Everest. Did you know this about Mars? In 2015, scientists confirmed water flows on Mars, raising questions about whether life could exist on the red planet. Did you know this about Earth? Thanks to Earth's axial tilt, which exposes more or less of our planet's northern and southern hemispheres to the sun depending on the time of year, and is also responsible for our seasons. Some spots near the poles experience 24 hours of straight daylight or darkness. Did you know this about Earth? Earth's rotation combined with its core of molten nickel and iron generates a magnetic field, shielding us from solar radiation while creating light shows, called auroras, that are literally out of this world. Did you know this about Earth? Earth's land masses move, a phenomenon known as continental drift. They creep about as fast as your fingernails grow. Did you know this about Jupiter? Set shields at maximum. Jupiter generates radiation levels more than 1,000 times the lethal dose. Did you know this about Jupiter? Nearly 3 Earths could span Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a hurricane that has raged for centuries. Did you know this about Jupiter? Jupiter may be the largest planet in the solar system, but it has the shortest day, just 10 hours, because of its rapid rotation. Did you know this about Mercury? Don't bother scouring the sky here for any moons. Mercury doesn't have any. Did you know this about Mercury? NASA's Messenger spacecraft, which has been orbiting Mercury since 2011, carries a heavy-duty sunshade made from ceramic cloth. Did you know this about Mercury? Mercury was named after a fleet-footed Roman god. Did you know this about Neptune? A day on Neptune is 16 hours, but a year lasts 165 Earth years. Barely one Neptune year has passed since the planet's discovery in 1846. Did you know this about Neptune? Neptune has 6 rings and 13 confirmed moons. One of these moons, Triton, has geysers that spray icy material more than 5 miles, 8 kilometers, high into the frigid atmosphere. Did you know this about Neptune? Neptune's magnetic field is 27 times mightier than Earth's. Did you know this about Saturn? Saturn is the only planet in the solar system that's less dense than water, which means it would float if you dunked it in a large enough ocean. Did you know this about Saturn? Titan, one of Saturn's 53 moons and its largest, has an atmosphere of mostly nitrogen similar to ancient Earth's. Did you know this about Saturn? A small moon named Mimas spots an impact crater that makes it look just like the Death Star from Star Wars. Did you know this about Uranus? Uranus, along with Neptune, is one of the smaller gas giants, but it's still a giant. Nearly 60 Earths could cram inside Uranus. Did you know this about Uranus? Not only is Uranus knocked on its side, it also spins in the opposite direction. The only other planet with such a retrograde rotation is Venus. Did you know this about Uranus? Uranus year lasts 84 Earth years, but it stays just 17 hours. Did you know this about Venus? A Venus day is the equivalent of 243 Earth days, although a year is roughly 225 Earth days. Did you know this about Venus? Venus rotates in the opposite direction, called retrograde rotation, of most planets. Did you know this about Venus? Venus has more volcanoes, more than 1,600, than any other planet in the solar system. Most lie dormant. Did you know this about dwarf planet? In July 2015, Pluto became the first dwarf planet to be explored by spacecraft. NASA's New Horizons reached Pluto after traveling more than 3 billion miles over 9 years. Did you know this about dwarf planet? The 5 confirmed dwarf planets, including Pluto, are all smaller than Earth's moon, but some of them have moons themselves. Did you know this about dwarf planet? Astronomers suspect that the asteroid Ceres might have geysers that spew water from its rocky crust. Thanks. Please like, share, subscribe. Please hit bell button for more video like this.